Hi, my name is Nettie, and I'm going to do the cinnamon challenge. So, I'm going to find my cinnamon. With a spoon, like one of my big ones. And go ahead and pour a little, or almost a lot, into my spoon. Mind that other voice, that's just my baby sister. Oh yeah, and I'm going to mix it with a little ginger. So it can be like, like harder for me. Because I've actually done this before. And a little bit of nutmeg. Here my sister comes. And a little bit more cinnamon.
What are you making?
I'm doing the cinnamon challenge, Zyla.
Oh.
Bye-bye.